Hi friends, welcome back to Chennai Tech Point. Today's session we are going to see how to download and install Spring Tool Suite on Windows. Go to Chrome browser, type spring.io/tools. Click on enter. Here we can see Spring Tool related to the Visual Studio Code or Spring Boot for the Eclipse. We need to download the Spring Boot tools for the Eclipse. Here you can see 4.17.2 is the latest version. Here we can find the Linux and Mac and Windows. Click on Windows. Download the jar. It will take some time to download the jar. Jar is downloaded. Go to downloads. Here this is the jar. Double click on jar. Double click on the jar. It will unpacking all the elements in the jar. It will take some time to unpack the jar. In downloads you can see it will generate the one folder with the STS 4.17.2. Yeah, unpacking is done. In this folder we will get the application Spring Suite application.exe file. Unpacking done. You can see .exe file. Click on .exe file application. It will launch the STS. Yeah, STS launcher is opened. It asking the workspace. We need to set the workspace. Present time leave it as a default. Click on launch. Now STS is launching. It will take some time. Yeah, STS tool is launching. Here you can see it is asking for create a Java project, create a new Spring Boot starter project, import the Spring Boot getting started content, create a project, import the projects. We have already projects, we can import the project, otherwise we can create a Spring Boot starter project. Click on starter project. It will use the start.spring.io. Here what are all the dependencies we need to select. In this way we can create the Spring Boot project with the help of STS tool. Thank you for watching. For more updates please subscribe my channel.